7th January this year, we started mining ARICHAIN, and ARICHAIN wallet was launched then, which is equivalent to 7 months plus now. And since then, a lot of people have engaged in this airdrop. However, people started losing interest after they realized that the airdrop skipped mainnet launching, which was supposed to schedule on Q2 of this year, which is equivalent to around April, May. Okay? Even the founder of this airdrop posted on their official Twitter, which is known as X, that the listing of the airdrop, which is TGE, is scheduled to take place around April to May, but it did not happen. Okay, so in this video, we're going to basically discuss 3 things. Number 1, when is the expected listing date of ARICHAIN wallet? Secondly, what is the difference between ARIG and ARIPoint? Because recently, a lot of miners have become confused over the introduction of another point, which is known as ARIG. So we don't know whether it is ARIG they are going to use on TGE and listing day or ARIPoint. In this video, we're going to discuss everything in detail, and finally, we're going to discuss the expectation from this airdrop. That is, what are we expecting from the airdrop? Okay, so let us go to the question number 1, which is the listing date of ARICHAIN wallet. Okay guys, as stated earlier from their roadmap, it was stated that the initial projection, originally the token generation event, which is TGE, and token listing were scheduled for Q2 of 2025, with many sources pinpointing April to June as the expected time frame. Okay, however, the listing of ARICHAIN wallet is scheduled to take place between this month ending towards early next month. Do you know why? Because from their new roadmap here, you can see that on Q3, which is Q3 2025, you can see the final option there, which says that ARI portal launch. You understand? So ARI portal launch is going to take place between Q3, and Q3 is talking about July, August, September. That is why we're expecting the launching of ARICHAIN wallet towards the ending of this month and early next month. Okay, so the next question is, what are the differences between the ARIG, which is the newly introduced one, and the ARI, which will be mining for all this while? Which one are they going to use on TGE and listing day? First of all, the ARI points are the point we earn from performing tasks, daily checking, as well as referring people and joining official socials like Twitter, Telegram, and so on. Okay, and from our research so far, they are going to use ARI, which is ARI point, during tokenomics TGE listing period. Okay, so ARI is what they are going to use. So how about ARIG? ARIG is just a specialized token tied to a specific mission within the community, and this may be used as gas fee and other things during TGE, but that is not the main points they are going to use to allocate the coins to us. Rather, they are going to use ARI points. Okay, and another thing you should take note of is this: starting from August 25th, which is 25th of this month, they are going to reduce all our points by 20%. That means the points we'll be earning onward will be reduced by 20%. Like as of the moment, we're earning 30 ARI points for daily checking. Okay, so starting from August 25th, we are going to reduce it by 20%. And this is done to add value to their token as well as preventing inflation. I think you understand. So it will not cause any harm if the airdrop is going to be valuable. I think you understand. And finally, what are we expecting from ARICHAIN? Okay, what are we expecting? What we are expecting from this project depends on the amount of ARI points you have mined so far. Because the higher the ARI points you mine, the higher your chance of getting more tokens on the TGE and listing day. I think you understand. So in order to maximize your tokens, it is important you visit the airdrop daily so that you can claim the daily 30 points given to you, and it is going to be reduced by 25% on 20th to 25th of this month. So you have to rapidly claim as much as you can before the time comes. Okay, so guys, that's it, and this is what we have for you about ARICHAIN wallet at the moment. And if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.